Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sachin and I'm vlogging. I hope you all are doing very well. So this gonna be the first day of us staying at Dehradun. Thing changed what we did at Baroda and at Dehradun. Our sleeping pattern changed, our eating pattern changed, everything got changed. And we didn't even plan things. We went with the flow because I don't know how I describe that. But yeah, let's get into the video. We are on a way to a riverbank. I don't know, it's something that we're here to patrol. I came here with two of my friends, and we're gonna go for like another friend will be come with us, and I'll take you guys along with us. Stay tuned. Oh,
Wala, Sachin.
to Sisi. Hai vi bisa sih view.
Cái gà đấy đi ạ. Nó thon người đi bên này là gì gì luôn.
I didn't vlog too much. We didn't even have. We just went off for a ride. We explored a few places. We were literally drained our energy. we were not that energetic because of that long journey we had on the train. We didn't even sleep properly, so we decided to call it a day after that. Right to the woods. So yeah, if you like or even enjoy, please give this a like. Please share and subscribe my channel. Till then, be happy and do whatever you want.